Hello everybody, I am going to be taking you through our Wireshark Lab for our Cisco. So first thing you're going to want to do is, for me, I downloaded version 1.8.3 of Wireshark. It's currently at a very, very much higher version, but to make everything easier to understand, because they haven't changed over how to do it into the newest version, they're still using 1.8.3. I downloaded this. I just had to search up on Google Chrome the older version, find a secure website, and download it. So I have this Wireshark loaded up and my command prompt. So this is the lab that we were given. So you want to go to your Wireshark and go to interface list and click on your Intel. But before you do that, you want to go into here and do IP config \all. Enter that, and then go into here and click start. And things things are going to start showing up on your prompt right here for Wireshark. And then what I usually do is I type in ping 8.8.8.8, enter that, just to give this information. Okay. Now, you want to type in ICMP into here, and once it goes green, enter that. And these are your ICMP protocol. So these will give you all of your destination, IP addresses, and your MAC addresses and stuff like that. You just click on it, and it gives you your destination and your MAC. So then, what next in here? So you want to go you want to go and you want to click this button. That will stop it, and this button will restart it. You want to make sure your Intel is clicked. Click start. Continue without saving. Go into here, and you want to do ping www.yahoo.com. Enter that. Once that finishes, you're going to do ping www.cisco.com. And then after that finishes, you're going to do www.google. Ping www.google.com. And once those three finish up, you are going to have all of these ICMPs. Remember to have ICMP in your thing so you can go and find those immediately. And then you're going to want to go and find your IP addresses and MAC addresses for the beginning, middle, and the end of it. So I did the first one, the middle one, and the last one for it. Then answer some questions, what is some significant information, all the MACs are the same. How does information differ? The IP address changes. And then for this one, why does the MAC address for the remote host not show? And it's because we are using a virtual machine. We are not using a actual system. And then this is just some extra stuff. But that is what you're going to do for this lab. You go through, you click on top one right here. And down here, I'm going to just full screen that. Down here, you have right here, this would be your IP address. And above here, right here, this is going to be your MAC address. So yeah, that is how we did this lab. I did this with a couple of other kids in my class. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, week, whatever, however long you have rest. So, see ya. Bye.